Marta. This next song is in Kanak language. The title is Yesu Keriso. Yesu Keriso means Jesus Christ. I wrote this song to invite all people in the world to give their life to Jesus Christ before the second coming.
Yesu Keristo Meriahain New Caledonia Menteria Fulton. Tetainga will be met one right minutes in Jawanwa. Sanora Memedanano. Can I kuna Memedanum can no raya kitom categoroi? Satayaba. A unibet wong the one and mananga. Nagostan Punikiripes. I didn't yung kanyo, nakarawa the one categoroi. Nakoim Kenito, ye manangam mendam tabun makuri. Kita ongkeri ye manangam pun menda musu kita nibukan nari kayak aku tahu teh interi aspa mana antai ye aku ketika na ko imi nanti meron tinga pun ye oh yari ni angkan itu wana meron tu wara Don Williams kuna nare Lord I hope this day is good aku kahantani apa tepung ayo tepung eta kapene ente mero iroran kapene.
I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. Lord, have you forgotten me? I've been praying to you faithfully. I'm not saying I'm a righteous man, but Lord, I hope you understand. I don't need fortune and I don't need fame. Send down the thunder, Lord, send down the rain. But when you're planning just how it will be, plan a good day for me. Lord, I hope this day is good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. You've been the king since the dawn of time. All that I'm asking is a little less crime. It might be hard for the devil to do, but it would be easy for you. Lord, I hope this day is good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good.
Samene na nanti awar me meted nano. Kana yai kunam am katikiroi kito am saan ne akan ngorane banana. Sa ta orang kanya ne bersama ko ina nanti tayo. O taranya yai to wana ya kos ke nakana ko makuna wa to wana ay mina ya kana ko na bangkanya ti me meted nano. Ero ko ina biang tayo.
And great is my Father. His mercies, it never ceases. His goodness follows me always. And in his house I shall dwell forever.
There's joy. Every day I walk with Him. His blessings pouring all over me. That's why I'm blessed today. The windows of heaven are open. The blessings are falling today. There's joy, joy, joy in my heart, since Jesus made everything right. I gave Him my old taunted garment. He gave me a robe of pure white. I'm feasting on manna from heaven, and that's why I'm happy today. The windows of heaven are open. The blessings are falling today. There's joy, joy, joy in my heart, since Jesus made everything right. I gave Him my old taunted garment. He gave me a robe of pure white. I'm feasting on manna from heaven, and that's why I'm happy today. Oh, and that's why I'm happy today. Oh, and that's why I'm happy today.
Awai si wapi merwewa riki de minissa porai tiawa ruewa. Awai yung kanya te wana de memete nana ria kwasi nan berenda ye yo etaku te akana. Au memete nana me ka me punsi Yesu e nora nano si ane me ka ikora harapa te sakana kupana. Taka meor na koim gweni mendanga ti o peta mende tapa ne korani ne me ye ngana pa. Kuswai na ko inanandam classroom de ngapo ngai. Nakamya sila nung mga kanaro na pa ko rin na ang kanya ko mga nori na nun te video kana param riri kan kana yayam free time na nun pongin nam riri inte po ngayo ngayari te kira rin nam riri ni mendang o pitan tita pa na koroni na mayay saka te kira yan na param riri yata yung riri ni kapian yung riri ka ume kanya pa yung te kira ni kapian yung sa kami orang kanya o ni ka te kira yung kuran ni mendang ari estan dinayay pukiran titayay.
Ponsi de sua, ai nora
Wapi me te runga riki te minisa po rai te awaruaiwa. Te wana riki te me te nere me kai o ka angai te akana. Meuri nara ue Yesu Kristo. Ta iaha te kuna hare iei te tapu hasikiroi sina na kuni kai. O iaha meura ngane su te angiro men te tapu na korani ra me iei. Kanaro na bako te me ta suki rari kira. Nakatanga kuna me taka antaringa mandia pāpaki. Bako na rangi na kukure iei. O e nanga na koriki te merurung. Te aintua mene korakora. Ina nan te meru antanga ine ai. Kuna te kira erika sa orang kane. Nukuna mara katangiria.
go away, I'll be glad to say you're still near me. Even when the wind blows by, I feel warm inside. You're so lovely. Every time I hear your voice, and every time I feel your touch, lets me know that I can face tomorrow one more time. I need you. Don't leave me. Without you, I can't survive. I need you. Don't leave me. Without you, I just can't survive. No, I can't survive. Every time I hear your voice, oh my Lord, oh yeah. Every time I feel your touch, I feel your touch. Lets me know that I can face tomorrow one more time. Oh, maybe one time, Lord. I can face tomorrow. You will walk me through my pain, and so walk me through my pain. Yes, I know I can face tomorrow one more time, one more time, one more time. Yeah.
Hi. The next song that you are going to listen to is from the Solomon Islands Student Bible Band. This is a group that Brother Stennett started 3 years ago here at Fulton College. One other active member of this group was his son, Junior Pulahite, who sadly passed away during the middle of this year, 2012. We have greatly missed him, but we are also reminded in such experience that we are living in this world temporarily. Listen to the beautiful words of this song we want to dedicate it to the late Junior Pulahite. This world is not my home. I hope you will enjoy the song.
This world is not my home.
te tai e si rua wari ki te minisa e pōrai te awa rua ewa. Ai ori ki te wana te mea me te nara ka ngai te akana. Meori o Pureitio, a wata i au kare, iei te pana e wewe teko, ari anakiru i a kaini chaikas. Ia ka meora nganya konene, mereki a biara, te tapana korani ira mei ei, o kuna mara kwa tangiria na katanga i pukim, takantaninga pa ina nganu koriki. Rakan te kukurei, rakan te merurung, ina non kai tarans pangam, ina non tangai nei. Te kera iriki mei kanya wa i o kuna mara kwa tangiria.
Iai te pana ai bebe te ko. Iai te sipanga te mioko. Ai antai a tauro i nako. Antai e na mananga i puku.
Sina te taro, si te uana. Kau kina nora, na konte wea. Sina ngaira na koina. Papori ngai ami o kuri meura.
Te wea, hai o ngai kana kuai, na te kui buki. Me wea, saki au pai kana kuai, na te kui buki.
Ikan ligi pa am dorongan. Ikan nga meyu ayo na koy. Me kasikay te puri biro. Oye tapenda ruan ako. Tawa bel na iriko. Od na kimenga tana komeiro. Ang anay kay meweko. Pamnakapenea hiro.
Te wea, hai o ngai kana kuai, na te kui buki. Me wea, saki au pai kana kuai, na te kui buki.
Te wea ei toroiro. Hanganay kay o tarikawa. Pamariki patimena. Ipukinta te kinakimiro. Ito apel ona iriko. Ona kimena dana kumiro. Angaray
Ako pun timita nung raya no prayer for me tinayin tita yung kaya si wawariki ati jara de minisa porai tiawaruaiwa. Mengen nane o ayona pangkanya kapenian nara memetin nani nanon tinga po ngay. Eta ko tayo kana meron ni memetin nano. Kata yo kan ikatanga memetin nano. Tikunare well good morning Jesus. Korapa tikiray may kan. O iya kami orang kan merite ta muriyoran tita pa niya kwa itaray may yay. Punamara kwa tangiria. Good morning Jesus meron tawari Mike Manuel. O iya katangan kayo ni Ibu Kim inanunti nga po ngay. Tikiray ki may kan makain dari Kim makanawang oray dari Kim. O ayo kunamara kwa tangiria.
Well, good morning, Jesus. Yes, it's me again. But I didn't call this time to get forgiveness for my sin. I called to talk to Mama, and I know she's there with you. If there's a phone in heaven, then Jesus put me through. And give me one more chance to tell her that I love her. Oh, let me hear her sweet voice one more time. For I want her to know how much I'm thinking of her. If there's a phone in heaven, put my mama on the line. All those things I should have told her while I still had the chance. But one day, Lord, you took her with no warning in advance. And I'm begging now, please give me one last opportunity. If there's a phone in heaven, let my mama talk to me. And give me one more chance to tell her that I love her. Oh, let me hear her sweet voice one more time. For I want her to know how much I thinking of her. If there's a phone in heaven, put my mama on the line. Yes, if there's a phone in heaven, put my mama on the line.
O menara memetin nano ane. Ya wasira na biyang kanya ni karokoira naratay. Tinunga rai di minisi minti awaruaiwa. Ayo na ba tikin nara memetin nano mengko jasa ngorante ngapo ngayo. Korara baring gwero kwa sandoni rin nanon ara program at kakakipos yung ante memetin nano. O kanta nga pas na mga rita kinakonti tawano. tia te pui mea ua kanaruna ba e muanta inyo kira aruna mea unara rerio. Skaurin koriki, hari na mete ara rerio tia te pui na. Ngai are nta wana kongora mea iei sina ka mea ora ngora ina ko tape ua ora nere nun te inga po ngai. Antia te pui na roi ana iei nkande mua. Te makurin kata mea ria ka en Vodafone na kon te tawa. Ang kana esa sa mga rita nang kana kanondara kana ko pa na ipukin te po ngai. Ngai are taimaninga sina reitaki. Sina mostranjia te puina sina mga kiri ko iminta wano. Kurara barik te sa ngora sina ti me to kanya ngora ina no kanwa ndara kana ko pana me te gumo kanya rawan me me tenan.